Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your profile banner on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, then tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on channel, which is the first option. Then you should scroll down and tap on customize a channel on the right side, and you will be directed to this page where you need to tap on channel in this left side column of the screen. Go to the top and select the second option, brand. Then scroll down till you find the profile banner section where you can customize your background. Here is the generated one, but you can also customize it by tapping on this custom image button where you can upload a file. So click on the upload button, tap on upload a photo from your files and select a picture. After that, upload it, and in a few seconds you will be able to see how it looks like. Then click on the save button down below in this right side column of this section, and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.